So today I'm just going to take you on a real quick tour of a couple of items that I've added to the shop that I've been super impressed with. They're both related to dust collection. So let's take a quick peek and show you what we got. So originally I had a 1 horsepower General International dust collector with the ugly old, cloth sack on the top. So I've added in a Craftex filter module on the top, split the unit apart, and I've added the Craftex, what is it here, CX427 cyclonic separator. And so far I have been absolutely thrilled with how this separator has worked. Right now it's probably between a third and a half full, and that's how much has made it through. I'm guessing at this rate I could probably run this thing for 20 years and never have to replace that bag. So we're going to take a bit of dust. I did a little bit of routing here, so I've got several handfuls of sawdust. I'm going to chuck it into the dust extractor. This is the before of the bag. We'll feed all the dust through and then we'll show you what the after looks like. So this is all the dust. So as you can see, it's probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 handfuls of sawdust here. And we're just going to sweep it straight into the dust extractor. Let's just go over and look what's been added into the bag. So here we are. This is the bag after we've added all the dust. And I am telling you, nothing, absolutely nothing makes it through that cyclonic separator. That thing is just amazing. So if you guys ever have a chance to add a cyclonic separator into your dust extraction system, man, I highly, highly recommend it. This thing works amazing. And then, like I said, just a quick overview of what I've got. So I had an old General International 1 horsepower. I pulled it apart. I mounted the upper section, its little cyclonic separator in here. I added the Craftex filter unit on top. Tied that all into the motor housing and to the dust extractor or the cyclonic separator, and then those just route to all of my hardware, all of my equipment. So yeah, nitty gritty, works like a hot darn. The other piece I would highly recommend if you guys are doing woodworking in a shop, it's one of these guys as well. So again, this one's a General International. I don't think they're around anymore, but this is just an air cleaner. So I didn't like the filters that they put on, so I've got 4-inch filters from my home furnace. So when they get dirty and I have to replace them, I just swap them and put them on here. They tend to let a ton more air flow through and catch a lot more of the dust. It's just a higher grade filter, but this thing again keeps that air just crystal clean in your shop.